Waiting 30 seconds. It is January 24th, 2020. It is 12:37. This earthquake took place 21 minutes ago. USGS said there was a 5.4 near the coast of Peru. They've got it 16 miles west. Let's try this again. They've got it 16 miles south-southwest of Moquegua, Peru. All right. This first started out as a 5.1 on the GFZ. EMSC put a 5.1, put a 5.3, put a 5.2. I have yet to check and see if they've upgraded it. All right. I've got all those links in here as well. So now we're going to go to EMSC. Okay. So this is what they had it last at. They had it at a 5.1. I copied it, put it down. They had it at a 5.3. I copied it, put it down. They put it to a 5.2. Copied it, put it down. They've got it southern Peru. They've got it now at 62.1 miles in depth. They had it at 57 miles in depth. All right, we're going to refresh this page. And refresh. Yes, now they've got it. There you go, 5.4. That makes 4 times they've changed this, okay, 4. All right, so let me copy this and put it in there also. And now they got it at 80 kilometers, so they changed the depth as well, so hang on for that. Copy. So let me give you the kilometers on that one as well. Upgraded after USGS post. Okay, I'm going to put this here. After Australia post. Okay. All right, so 5.4. Okay. Let me take you to GFC, see if they've changed their mind about the earthquake and what it was. All right. Going to earthquakes. Sorry, I was in bed. I must look like a fright. All right, now EMSC still has it. I mean, GFC still has it as a 5.1. They've got it as an automatic near the coast of Peru. All right, they've got it at 92 kilometers. That is 57.1 miles in depth. All right, let me take you to this earthquake. Show you where it's at. All right, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to try and focus it in. That is the big circle in the middle. That is what USGS says is a 5.4 near the coast of Peru. To me, it looks like it's on the coast of Peru, right there. 16 miles southwest of Moquegua at 51 miles in depth. All right. I just want to make sure I'm going to go to disaster alert since this earthquake now is 30 minutes old. We're going to pop up disaster alert. This happens every time I get ready for bed at night. It's like I lay down on a button or something. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Okay. Well. Let's see here. Come on, open up, please. All right, it says an earthquake of magnitude 5.4 at a depth of 50.7 has occurred 25 kilometers southwest of Moquegua, Peru, as reported by the Earthquake Information Center, NEIC of the USGS. Preliminary. Copying. And going to post. Copy. Go to notes. disaster alert. And let me copy that and paste it right in there. Get rid of silly commercial junk. You don't need the commercial. So we'll get enough of that on TV. Hey, Kevin. Is that Kevin? No, that's Karen. Hey, Karen. How are you, sweetie? All right. So now you'll have disaster alert USGS. Okay. Guys, I am sorry. I've got so many links in there for USGS. But when you do silly stuff, you're going to get caught. They first posted a 5.1 on their webpage after GFC posted a 5.1. They upgraded it to a 5.3. Then they downgraded that to a 5.2 after Australia posted a 5.2. Then they upgraded it to a 5.4 after USGS posted a 5.4. USGS said it was a 5.4 near the coast of Peru. The closest volcano to this earthquake is... Oh, I didn't do that. Yes, I did do it. 39 miles. I didn't do it on here, though. Equals 39 miles. MILES away. Color code green, normal, dormant. All right. I hear you dinging at me. Let's see what we got. Isn't it? That's not it. They have yet to send out a tweet saying they upgraded it to a 5.4. Okay. They had it at a 5.3 and they haven't set up a tweet yet. They're good at sending up tweets. Hang on here a second. Let me get a copy of this. We're going to shut everything down and then we'll reopen just to make sure that everybody's keeping it where it's at now. Hello, Mew and me. Hey, sweetie. Oh, my goodness. Hi. What do we got here? Still haven't upgraded it. All right. We're shutting everything down here. There is no tsunami warning associated with this earthquake. This earthquake did take place on land, no matter how many times the EMSC changed it. So now we're going to go to USGS. We're opening up USGS's page. And we do have the 5.4. They have it as a 5.4 near the coast of Peru, 16 miles south-southwest of Moquegua at 51 miles in depth. Okay? Sorry, I'm trying to focus it. It's hard with the reflection off the computer. I can't sleep either, apparently. Every time I get up, sweetie. Every time I get ready to go to bed. Let me enlighten this here. We get big earthquakes. All right, so let me go to EMSC now, their web page. Opening it up. And we're going to go to the earthquake. There it says, a 5.4. Oh, I was going to see how many miles, how many kilometers 80 miles were for you. And I'm going to change this again, too, because they've had it at 3 depths already. 80. Now they've got it at 49 miles in depth. Cross that one out, put 49. Okay, we're going to start this off with everything that EMSC has put up so you guys will know what is going on. GFC posted a 5.1. EMSC posted a 5.1. Then they upgraded it to a 5.3. Then they downgraded that to a 5.2 after Australia posted a 5.2. Then they upgraded that after USGS said there was a 5.4. They upgraded it to what you have right here, a 5.4. They've had it at 57 miles in depth, 62 miles in depth, and now they've got it at 49 miles in depth. I don't mean to be critical, guys, but that's the way it's looking. All right, you're going to have Australia Earthquake Center in here too, because they've got it at a 5.1 at 50 miles in depth. I'm going to go one more time and pull up GFC and see if they've had it looked at by a human yet. If they have, we will go ahead and post that as well. And then we're going to call it an evening. Like I said, there is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. No, GFC still has it at a 5.1. All right. It still hasn't been seen by a person. It is still at 57.1 miles in depth. It is still computer generated. All right. All right. So hang on for a minute, sweetie, and I'll talk to you. I'm going to copy these now. I think I already did, but I want to make sure. We're going to copy, and we're going to go to the YouTube channel now and post. Now, this doesn't mean it is a preliminary that USGS can't change their mind. You know as well as I do, they will or have. All right, so we're going to my channel. We're going to edit the video and add it in there right now. Make sure all links are there. Disaster alerts there. USGS is here. EMSC is there with 1, 2, 3, 4 times they tried. All right, you have got Australia is there. You've got GFC is there. Estimated release of power is there, and that is 674 tons. But they're using the GFC number for this earthquake, so USGS was not the first to post. You got the latitude, longitude, and the closest volcano, which is 39 miles, color-coded green, normal, dormant. We are now posting. And I'm getting out of YouTube. You will be able to check all links right now in YouTube. All right? And we're going to close everything down. Wait a minute, what's that? All right. All right, guys, that's what we have. Sending you guys much love. Mewy, sweetie, I missed talking to you the other day, and I apologize. I know you put up a video, and I needed to come respond to that, and I didn't. I'm doing okay. I was up last night with the large earthquake, 1 o'clock in the morning, and I have not been to bed since. So I'm going to go to bed, okay? Karen, thank you so much for coming in. You're totally awesome. Sending you 2 thumbs up. Before I go, let me read what I have right here. I've already shown all pictures. USGS said there was a 5.4 near the coast of Peru. They got it 16 miles south-southwest of Moquegua, Peru, at 51 miles in depth. Australia's got it at a 5.2 at 50 miles in depth. EMSC has had it at a 5.1, a 5.3, a 5.2, and now a 5.4. They've had it at 57 miles in depth, 62 miles in depth, 49 miles in depth. GFC has it at a 5.1. It's still computer generated. No person has seen it yet. They've got it at 57 miles in depth. All right, so that's what I got. Every link is in the description box. You guys are totally awesome. Sending you guys much love. 2 thumbs up. Mewy, I love you too, sweetie. I am going to go back to bed, all right? I love you. Have yourself a great evening. I'll be back in the morning. I think I'm just going to shut the phone off, period, so I can get some sleep. All right, so God bless. Sweet dreams. Dream soft.